beavers. Well, let's just get to the exact part where I'm trying to get to. Okay, now I'm just bored from that. My bobblehead from hockey. Bobblehead. Oh, yeah. He can stay right there. Can you guys see his head? No. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Yeah. Can't score. Another one. What? The boy in the striped pajamas. My mom was reading that. Damn. Ew. It's lip balm. Don't touch that again, Nicholas. I need some gum. Give me some gum. My book bag. Lunch bag. Homework. Calendar. Acadia X-Men magazine. Let's read my Acadia X-Men book. See what's going on there. Yeah, there's some West Palm. You want some West Palm? Have come get 'em, man. Yeah. Me and West Plum, West Plum rocks. Okay. There they go. Again. That is the Kitty Action book. Also having a dump bag. Holy cow! Bookmarks. Bam! Whoop. Oh, a marker. The Sims CD. And that's all for now, you got here. Alright.